Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled in the heart of a lush forest, there existed a community of talented individuals who were known for their wisdom and harmonious way of life. This village was called Zenland, and it was a place where people sought enlightenment, peace, and the pursuit of harmony. In Zenland, there was a belief that the true power and beauty of life could only be experienced when individuals came together in collaboration, each contributing their unique talents and perspectives. It was said that when this unity was achieved, miracles could happen. One sunny day, a renowned painter named Meiling arrived in Zenland. Meiling had the ability to capture the essence of nature on her canvas like no other. Her strokes were fluid, and her colors seemed to dance with life. As she settled into the village, her reputation quickly spread, and the villagers were excited to see her artwork. Soon after Meiling's arrival, a skilled musician named Ravi also found his way to Zenland. Ravi could play the sitar with such skill and grace that his music could transport listeners to another realm. He was fascinated by the tranquility of Zenland and wished to share his melodies with the villagers. Meanwhile, a gifted storyteller named Amina had been residing in Zenland for many years. Her tales were weaved with magic and wisdom, captivating the hearts of all who listened. Amina believed in the power of stories to inspire, heal, and connect people, and she eagerly awaited the arrival of others who could contribute to the village's harmony. One fateful evening, the village elders arranged a gathering to celebrate Meiling, Ravi, and Amina, as well as the unique gifts they brought to Zenland. The entire village came together, eager to witness the collaboration of these talented individuals. As the moonlit night descended upon the village, Meiling started painting a breathtaking landscape, her brushstrokes capturing the tranquility of a peaceful lake surrounded by towering mountains. Ravi, inspired by Meiling's artistry, began playing his sitar. His melodies floated through the air, resonating with the very soul of the landscape. Amina, too, was moved by the harmony unfolding before her. She began to tell a story, her words weaving seamlessly with the strokes of Meiling's brush and the melodies of Ravi's sitar. The village was enchanted, and they felt as if they were experiencing a moment of pure magic. In that moment, Zenland's true essence was revealed. The power of collaboration and unity was tangible and alive. The villagers realized that each person's unique talent and perspective, when combined, could create something far more magnificent than any individual could achieve alone. From that day forward, the villagers of Zenland embraced the power of collaboration. Artists, musicians, writers, and thinkers flocked to the village, eager to contribute to the tapestry of harmony. Zenland became a beacon of creativity, wisdom, and unity, inspiring people from far and wide. And so, the story of Zenland spread throughout the world, reminding people of the importance of collaboration and the incredible things that can be achieved when individuals come together, in harmony. The village stood as a testament to the power of unity, teaching generations to come the true meaning of collaboration and the beauty that lies within it.